Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽秀 Joseph Lin here to teach you some practical vocabulary in Hakka. Well, with the help of Alice right here. 那前几个月啊，大家都玩疯了，
因为放
假都要去游山玩水啊，不管是旅游或者去游泳，都是暑假要做的事情啊。
现在要收心了，
要收山了。Last few months, a lot of people did a lot of traveling, so I thought that right now in the month of September, let's go ahead and teach you terms again associated with touring around, with playing around, okay? 因为中文这个游这个字啊，它可以意思有很多嘛，有这个所谓的旅游 travel to tour， 也可以是玩游戏啊，对不对？Let's go ahead and teach you terms associated with 游 which is play or tour.
You.
Okay, 很像嘛 okay, that's how you say it in Hakka. The first one, traveling, 旅游嘛。理由，你有什么理由去旅游吗？
有很多
理由。Okay, that's how you say travel.
那海陆腔的旅游，理由。
理由。Okay, that's different dialect for saying traveling. 那这个游这个字啊，除了这个刚刚讲的 tour travel 之外，其实有时候还有游行。游行 a parade. 游行。Okay, that's how you say a parade.And finally, 游这个字真的很好用，对不对？旅游也可以，游行也可以，游戏 or game.
游戏。
OK, 我们来造个句。
好。那就线上游戏。
好，对，线上游戏真的 online gaming 现在真的是非常夯啊。以前真的都是高中生、国中生、小学生在玩的，现在大朋友结了婚，自己家里有小孩的，都还要继续玩，
还要跟人家抢。
对，而且我跟你讲，我以前很喜欢玩游戏，
真的。
对，那种电动游戏啊，什么都有。但是最近呢，没钱
买，是不是？
买游戏机，对，所以只好听音乐就好了。Anyways, 我喜欢玩线上游戏，怎么说 ？I like to play online games.
爱动好搞线上游戏。
哇，好长哦！爱动好搞 That means I love to play
线上游戏。
线上游戏 We already told you, 游戏 is game, so 线上 is online game.So there we go. Let's review these terms. 旅游 traveling.
理
由 and then a parade 游行游行 and finally games 游戏 and there you have it. Let's play more right here on Practical Hakka.
什么Hakka？
俺只说张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.